Mr. Chairman, I don't think it's in the place of the lawyers to determine what affects the work of Parliament. That's the role of Mr. Speaker.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Mr. Wabejina baby, mo go Facebook o, phone. Na mo kasa Sam George ya set na arrogant no. Kono ko hwe wadwi mu kakra. Na bibi to chema. Mo NDC4. She Sam George not watch it, any watch it. Mate say you better register a SIM card in proper way. Crown 4. Na ni esla ya ndenya proper way. Abua wo TikTok ena wugina o ka say stop on academy. Mumu ko register mo sim. Wo ye hu tie se oba Sam George. Wo Sam George. Wa bopo na unim ni emesi se na ire na fun se ebima tropo se uni matropo. The voice in matropo. Sa obeji akese gadi yes akese no. Nya colored one no. Ye fe na tropo. Na atropo no esi toilet ho a. Wo se toilet na manio. Inti manio akese. Aha. Wa ye na fun, na ire na ye na fun se ebima tropo. Otinechi ema wukunu abada do wukunu aba pepe so se ayi no. Me ye chief justice. Na ye busa with the chief justice of Babesi Atamwa, would you know how said the eben? Opiso defending who? And no Obani or Babesi Otiwa, and Washington and Nufu, acquisition the cons a ye. Ah, every Ghana mompa, dear Ghana, where were bad than a chi? Way, and your bad than a chi. Nobody no booma. Because oba emasika ga kebenya tafinti Jimmy phobia ani akoware no Sam George no what it happen some way o say ana papa ben oba we are correct no we will not allow your husband to be insulting Chief Justice Mabesia omudi di bracket si omuchi ono Sam George na ni hu tie aseme no Jimmy phobia na Radi Yesu. As I did a boy out to the say Kurasinia or free crop oba. A boabema. Kwasiamate. We are Jimmy for Papa Sam George. Grow. That Ben Albany. That Ben.
Mamma
upon someone. Sam George and she a minister.
Mamma Kakra. Who's that?
Matiafia.
Sam George on or ye Kurasini. Now that what share who say NDC for no. Omo applaud in Kurasi for and omo many thing omo kasa je who say omo applaud this uncle for no. It's an oba and cramai no who the ma applauding the same way na na yere de I pity na yere no oba pa na wa Jimmy san oba na unim nyansa who edidi a whole chief justice attempt na ye musa na acha say wo kan kwasi asem ti ye ni age
ai o
kwasi asem na unim afenyo markings on the man is so intelligent hey wa mama who say as a youth any young lady and as a young man oh yeah dear bia the internet never forgets. The internet never forgets. Who's indirectly wama Sam George exposing him and the response will be used against him and his government.
Of course.
Sam George onim sa for your markets or you're intelligent than him.
Na say Sam George go Jimmy.
Officer or you cheeky, but onim and the response no will be used against him
of course.
And his government. Of it, the government they are going definitely they will fail. Even three
when nobody do no money here.
Even that can be a more year. And they are going to fail. So Afonyo Markins is using his anyway neighbor curriculum. And yet the same proposal as Bahama Aye. So Mahama nim nyansa na said onim nyansa na said.
Na Mahama no nim nyansa.
Mahama nim nyansa. Sam George were Jimmy.
Thank you.
You had said that because of the decision of that day, Parliament could not proceed with its work, and that affected its work for some 5 months, correct?
That's correct, Mr. Chairman.
Did that information come from the lawyers to you?
Mr. Chairman, that information came to me from my reading of Article 106 of the Constitution, and with your leave, I would read.
Yes, please. Kindly take the leave of chair, not me.
Yes. Mr. Chair, do I have your permission? So I read Article 106(7) of the Constitution, and that's what I premised that submission on. Where a bill passed by Parliament is presented to the President for assent, he shall signify within 7 days after the presentation to the Speaker that he assents to the bill or that he refuses to assent to the bill, unless the bill has been referred by the President to the Council of State under Article 90 of this Constitution. Parliament was unable, in fact, there was a letter, a cease and desist letter, signed by then Executive Secretary to the President, Nana Asante Bediotwo, asking Parliament not to transmit the bill as passed by Parliament, premised on the fact that there was a pending court case. Even though I think it's important we take judicial notice that his letter to Parliament came a day before any lawsuit was filed before the courts. Thank you.
I am asking you, do you think that your attack on the Chief Justice of the Republic had any basis in the exercise of those your constitutional rights?
Mr. Chairman, respectfully, I did not attack the Chief Justice. I criticized her, and she's not above criticism. Thank you.
Honorable nominee, do you remember the words you used in criticizing the Chief Justice?
Mr. Chairman, I criticized her extensively. I can't remember all the words. Thank you.
Paraphrase in context your criticism of her, what you said. If
I'm
you
unable to repeat any of those here, Mr. Chairman, because it's being the exigencies of time have overtaken it. If there is any specific reference you would like to make, I'm willing to respond to that. Thank you.
Did you write on your social media wall those criticisms? Did you write them?
I want to believe that I express my views on social media house. Yes.
We would give you an opportunity to refer to your social media wall and read aloud and in full those criticisms that you don't readily remember. So go to your social media wall, pick it, we'll give you time so that you can read it, then we can proceed.
Mr. Chairman, I don't know about the ranking member, but I'm extremely active on social media. In fact, one of the most active politicians in this country on social media. It will be an exercise for me to say that I am scrolling through the hundreds and thousands of posts to begin to scan and identify. If I had been given foreknotice of this, I could have gotten a team to do that. But I believe that if there's a particular case that is in question, I could be referred to it. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, our proceedings allow a member time to rely on an important document. Therefore, if the member will need time to go through the particular post, we would give him the time. He should be able to furnish us with that. So, Chairman, with the greatest respect, let him have the time to make that available.
Mr. Chairman, if there is the need for evidence of that, I can subsequently provide that to the committee. I can print out my entire timeline history for the purposes of the committee, because I will not be able to tell what would be of interest to the questioner. So I'll print out my entire timeline for the committee subsequent to this engagement. Thank you.
Uh,